my beautiful KK family. I hope y'all are doing wonderful. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple, easy DIY fall decor. If you are new to my channel and would like to be a part of the KK family, just hit that notification and subscribe button so you don't miss a video. If you also like this video, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So what you're going to need to create this look today is 3 glass mason jars that I got from Dollar Tree. We're also going to be needing some white paint, some gray gold spray paint, some burlap tulle, some jute cord, or any type of string that you have will work. And we're also going to need some plants that I got from Dollar Tree, scissors, hot glue, the 2 little gathered signs I also got from Dollar Tree. So the first thing we are going to do is just paint on the top of these gathered signs. We are going to continue to paint it white until you can no longer see the gathered sign. And this is what our mason jars are going to sit on top of. And it's going to be like a shelf. So after we are done with that, we are just going to take our mason jars and take this little tool, whatever it is called, and just undo the wires to get it off the mason jar. If you like the little wire on your mason jar, you can just keep it on there. So next we are going to paint the mason jars white, and we're just going to continue to do that until the entire mason jar is painted white. And we are just going to keep doing that and keep painting over it to distress the white paint so it's not so clean, because as you know, I do not like clean looks. So we're just going to keep doing it over and over to distress it, and you can also take a sponge and distress it a little more if you would like. Now we are going to spray paint our last mason jar gold. To show you the gold that I'm using, I'm going to insert a picture here. Once you are done with that, we are just going to go back inside and we are going to hot glue our gathered signs together so that they form our shelf. And you just want to make sure that you have a lot of hot glue to make sure that it's secure in its place. Now we're going to line them up perfectly together and just stick the hot glue together and hold it firmly. Once you do that, you also want to make sure that you put hot glue in the middle down the center. I did not show that part, so I wanted to make sure I told you. Now we are just going to take some jute cord and wrap it around our mason jars. If you do not like this type of cord around your jars, you do not have to put them on there. I just thought it was a cute little accent on the jars. Once we are done with that, we are just going to work on our bow. We are going to take about 4 inches and then you're going to cut that, not down the middle. We're going to cut it more towards the edge. And then we're going to roll the bow, get some cord and string and place it under the bottom of the ribbon that we have cut and tie it as tight as you possibly can. And then once you tie it together, we're just going to pull it apart like I showed in the last video. Now we are just going to cut a tiny piece off, and this is going to be the center part of our bow. You want to fold it in half and just tie it securely around the bow. Now we are going to just take a hard bristle brush and we are just going to distress this mason jar a little bit more, because you know I like to distress look. After that, we are going to hot glue our bow onto our mason jar and then add any plants you desire.